Hello guys, I'm gonna share something with you this afternoon here now, but Kim had found her father deceased this morning. She's had a pretty hard time with it. If you don't know, he's been living with us since January, and he's had breathing issues quite a few years, COPD, emphysema, and he had started with some dementia, and she had been caring for him, but his dementia wasn't terribly bad, but she gave him the past 7 months of his life. He's been happier than he's been, and I would say between 5 and 8 years, because he had gotten to where he had just kind of become a recluse. He didn't want to attend family functions anymore, and getting him out here and getting his medicine straightened out. He loved walking around the homestead with our dog Ellie. I had made him a walking stick, and but she was in the garden and picking beans and was going to go get him to break beans, and she just thought he's sleeping awful late, and he apparently tried to get from his bed to his chair. I think maybe he made it to his chair and was trying to take a breathing treatment, and he just didn't make it. So keep her in your prayers. Like I say, she called me at work and I couldn't understand her. I thought she was hurt, and she was, but not bodily hurt, not physically hurt. And I had a hard time understanding her, and she finally got out that Dad's not breathing, and they estimated that he had been dead 6 or 7 hours, and that would have been around the time that I got up to go to work this morning, because I usually get up at 4. But it's just hard for her, and that's understandable. So I do have a video scheduled to go ahead and start tomorrow. Just some stuff I was working on in the shop. But keep Kim and her family in your prayers, and we will be back to normal before long, I'm sure. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate you.